Okay, this is two sum problem, and the question is given a array of numbers, we need to find target. Like let's say target is 9. That means any two number, on summing them up, if we can get the target, and we need to return the index of these two number. For this example, answer is 0 1 or 1 0. The order in which you return does not matter. Okay, like for this 3 to 4, target is 6, so the answer can be 1 2 or 2 1. Okay, so as we know, basic a plus b is target. So let's say currently we will iterate over this array, and if we check, let's say first number is a. Okay, the basic solution is brute force, where we will check first number, and then we'll check all the other number and try to sum them. If they match to target, then we will return their indices. Like I'll check 7s, it is giving me correct answer 9, then I'll return 2 and 7, their index. If not, then I'll check this one, then this one, and then I'll start with this second index, and then I'll check this and this. Okay, the other way, like we can optimize it by using maps. In map, I can save the complement, like target minus b, target minus a. So if I'll find the complement in my map, that means that is our answer. Okay, so first thing, like let's create a map. Let map is new map. Okay, now iterate over our numbers. Okay, now see, our complement is target minus number. Let's see if my map contains, if my map dot has this complement, then I will return the current indices of num. So I want index, so we should go with the other kind of loop, like const I is 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Okay, then I will return I and map dot get complement. So basically this map is, it's a map of value and index. Okay, now if we don't have that number, then I'll just update my map dot put the current value, which is nums of I with the index, and here we'll update it. Okay, let's try to run. Put, oh sorry, in map we should use set, not put. It will be let, because we are incrementing this. So as we see, it passes everything. I'll try to submit. Okay, so this is fine, like we succeeded. And about the runtime complexity, as we iterate over all the numbers, so runtime is O of n, linear. And space wise, I'm creating a map, and that map also depends on what we have in numbers, so that is also O of n. So yeah, that's all for this.